Everybody, I'm Ephraim from Eazy Home Buyers. And if you're watching this video, then 9 times out of 10, you're either a homeowner and you're looking to sell your property quickly, or you may just have questions about who we are, what we do, and who we help. So in this video, I'm going to go over those things as well as I'll explain how our process is and what you guys can expect from working with us at Eazy Home Buyers. So who are we? Again, my name is Ephraim. I'm one of the co-founders here at Eazy Home Buyers. And to answer your question, we're regular people, just like you. We're not some big faceless company. We don't have 1,000,001 employees. We don't have a bunch of red tape. We try to keep things as simple and stress-free as possible. Our mission is pretty simple. We want to help as many people as we possibly can. What do? That's pretty simple. We buy houses directly from homeowners, no matter the situation, condition, or timeline. That means no agents, no showings, and 0 fees or commissions. We try to keep things simple so that you can move on with your life stress-free. Now, who do we help? Honestly, anybody who feels stuck or just simply looking for a quicker, faster solution. Whether you're facing foreclosure, you're dealing with an inherited property you don't want, or just want to sell without the hassle, we're here for it. So if you're thinking about selling your house or even just want to chat about your options, reach out. There's no pressure, just a friendly conversation to see if we can help. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope we get to talk soon. And as always, be easy.